So I'm getting that time back, which is obviously essential, right? So instead of spending those couple days, and sometimes it would even turn into weeks trying to figure out a glitch or how to create a new page or how to do something I wanted to do, that's not my area of expertise. Now I can pass it to you guys where that is your area of expertise. And so not only is my time freed up, but then my own capacity to do the work that I need to be doing that day, as opposed to spending the next couple hours or whatever it may be trying to figure out this issue on my website that I'm not even qualified to figure out. So it's given me my time back. It's given me my ability to continue to do the work that I know how to do and hand off the work I don't know how to do. So my name is Jenna. I'm a writer, educator, and trauma survivor, and I have a website that I use to help people through my writing, through my speaking, and then I host online journaling workshops to help people use writing to get to their inner truths, if you will. And I'm based in Detroit, Michigan. So I started out by creating my own website, and it looked like I created my own website. I was definitely in a place where I needed some help with getting new materials, and just through talking to other people, I realized it was time to have my website professionally hosted and ran, and trying to find a team of people who would be able to help me with the things that come up that I have no idea how to fix on my website, or if I have a new idea, or if I want to run these online journaling workshops, or just having people who have the knowledge I don't have who can work with me. And that's where your team came in. I have liked the efficiency. I have liked the availability. I had worked with somebody previously who was not only not available, but not very reliable. And I was not expecting much from the next person or team I tried, and I was blown away by how efficient and reliable and useful, and I felt like I had support. I felt like I could contact your team at any time of the day and I would get a response. It's been so helpful, and it's honestly taken a huge weight off my plate, because now I don't have to spend hours or days figuring out these issues on my website. I can contact your team and I'm helped that day, and it just is a game changer for me. Hire them. I feel that there hasn't been anything I've been unsatisfied with to even have to communicate, but I feel like the way that the company is set up, even if there was something I wasn't satisfied with, there would be a solution and we would be able to continue. I would 100% recommend you and your team, and I really appreciate the work you do. So thank you for all your support.